Hello everyone. Now we'll see what is image mapping. The image which consists of number of links, that is called image mapping. Now see this picture, a rectangle, circle and polygon. That is polygon means three or more than three sides, that is. So you can draw any shape. So only by using these three shapes you can link the to any website. So this is called called image mapping. Means one image is means whenever we click on this area, it will hyperlink to some page. Means some link we can open like any website or even local page. So we'll see how to write the code and what is client side image mapping. We'll see. See now, uh, this image I had opened in browser. First we'll see how it runs. This image I had created a link on that three shapes, rectangle, polygon and circle. So here I had created a link. When I clicked, I had told that in program that it should open this site called indiatimes.com, indiatimes.com. So I'll go back again. Then again I had created here polygon. Okay, so you have to see, you have to click and see on polygon. When I click on that polygon, it should open Google, and when I click on circle, see, it should open local website. Okay, so we'll see how to write this code. So this is called client side image mapping. By this we can open the that is processing of coordinates of clickable area is done by browser itself rather than server. So server takes lots of time. Now most of them are adopting client side because the load it takes, server takes, so processing of image coordinates where we click and plus hyperlink and our mouse click. Now as we are using touch screen, so by touching on that area, the hyperlink the page get open. Okay, now we'll see how to. So client side image mapping, so image mapping is nothing but image map means it consists of number of hyperlinks to web page. So we can create this hyperlink by marking that area to connect to some link on the web page. So three shapes as I shown you before. So how to note that coordinate? You have to open Paint. I'll show you that in image form at last, to watch till end, so that you'll come to know how to note that coordinates and write here. So like India map, suppose we click on Maharashtra, we want to click on Maharashtra area, and the Maharashtra related page should get open. So that way means one image can be hyperlinked to number of website, even local pages or any local page or website. So there are two types of image mapping, server side and client side. Server side, previously server side it was used, means what it does, like image mapping means processing of the clickable area of the coordinates plus hyperlink of that image, which file we want to open. So that was, the load was totally on server, in server side image map. Nowadays client side image map, the browser itself, what it does, it process the uh, uh, mouse click, that is clickable area, and plus the page which is hyperlinked and image. So the load is not on server, so client so it saves your time, and processing is done by browser itself. So most of them are now adopting client side image map. Now we'll see what things are used. Image map means it consists of number of hyperlinks. Each link is it is linked to the area. We have to mark that area to link some to link to some site. So here we will be using img tag, okay, img tag src source means you have to give URL name of the file which we want to create for hyperlink. Now we want to see that to indicate that this image is image map, so you have to use attribute use map. So by using this attribute use map, it says that your image is client side image map, okay, and you have to give any name to that. So you have to precede by hash sign, okay, and alternate means alternate text to that image. After that you have to write map tag. Map tag has only one attribute, that is name. You have to give the name of that, but name should be matched to whatever you are giving in use map, okay. So same name means we are saying that we want the name of image map is whatever we had written in use map. That image is now ready for client side image mapping. Then after that, to create a hotspot means the area which is active for linking, okay. So we have to use multiple area tag under map tag. Map tag is paired tag, means it is not singular tag. Area tag is singular tag, means you don't have closing tag. So map tag, you have to close map tag. Now multiple area tags are used, that we will define the clickable area. So clickable area on the image is called hotspot. So that area will be linked to some page where we say in area tag. So area tag is used to create links. So number of attributes are used with area tag are chords, alternate text, href means which file we want to link for, we want to create a hyperlink for which file, and shape you have to give. Only 3 shape we can give, means that rectangle, area, circle and polygon. Now area chords. Now for rectangle we have to use 2 pair of coordinate, x1 y1, x2 y2. So how to note? Till end you watch the video so that you will come to know how to note it. So we'll see again how to run this, and then at the end I'll show you how to note this coordinates, okay. Then after that, see I had written below area tag, then means whenever I click on this area of rectangle, okay, then it will open in daytimes. You can give any name which you want to open with site, or even your local pages you can open. This is and shape you have to give, okay. This is alternate text, shape. So these are the attributes, okay, for area tag. For shape, shape is equal to rectangle. You have to write just rect, not rectangle, otherwise it will not run. In alt you can write anything, okay. Alternate text it is, means extra information to that area when you move to that area. Next is another chords. Now these coordinates are for circle, means whenever you click on circle of that image, then means where we had created a mark for hotspot, means we had created a link for that circle. So only you have to give 3 points, that is x1 y1 and this is radius, okay. And after that href I had opened. When I click on circle, I am seeing that when I click on circle, local file should get open. Not only website, you can open your local files also. This is alternate text. So shape so shape circle and then alt circle. Next we'll see area. Next area tag chords. Now I had given here 3 pair of coordinate for polygon. Polygon means 3 or more than 3 pair of coordinates. So for polygon you have to use that many. You can include more in polygon, okay. In rectangle only 2 pairs of coordinate, that is 4 points. and circle only 3 you have to give, that is x1 y1 and radius, this is last one is radius. And in this x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3, or if your shape is like this is like when like it is in triangle shape, okay, polygon is in triangle shape. If you want to include more, then include more points if the shape is changing. Then when I click on polygon, I am saying that Google should open. So href, so here what I had written, area, chords, then after that href, then shape, polygon. So we'll see output, and map tag you have to close. So this is client side image map, means processing of the clickable area of the mouse and plus linking of the file and image is done by browser itself, so that it saves lot of time. So no, there is no load on the server for processing all the coordinates where you're clicked, okay, mouse where you will click on the mouse, means if you're using mouse, when you click on that coordinates of the hyperlinked area, it will open that file, right? So we'll see I'm opening in preview. See, when I click here, so what it will open, see, this in preview I am opening. So I told that it should open, when I click on rectangle it should open indiatimes.com. so when I click on polygon, so we have to search where is it, that is polygon, and one more, that is circle. So this is local file, I told local file should open, okay. Now same thing will open in browser, okay, this was preview, now we'll open in browser. First you have to save and then open. So you have to copy this address in address bar. So I'll just zoom it. So this area was for circle. See, when I, because I am operating from mobile, so it is a smartphone, so just by touching on that area, local file was opened, and when I touch on this area, I had hyperlinked this area here. This is polygon. So when clicking on polygon, Google site was open, and when I click on rectangle, India Times site was open. So I'll show you now how to note these coordinates by using Paint. Okay. See now what you have to do. You have to open that image file in paintbrush, and then on that paintbrush, open that image in this paintbrush and draw these shapes, okay, rectangle, circle, polygon, and then note the coordinates. How to note for rectangle, which point to note, I'll show in next image how to note. So whenever you note, you keep the mouse over there, and below that you will be able to see on the status bar. See here, you will come to know below that which area we had clicked. You have to see on status bar and go on noting the coordinates, okay. But which coordinates to note, so I'll show you in another image. Now always you should know, when you're noting the points of screen coordinates, the origin always starts from left up corner. Have you seen here origin? So you should know 00 origin, it starts that is origin starts from left top corner. So that way you have to note the point, okay. So we'll see, so these three shapes you have to note. So I'll show you in another image. Now as we had used that in example this image, so what you have to do, open that image first, make one duplicate copy of that, and don't save this image in that file, because it should not be visible that area. Only when we move the mouse over that area it should get open. Okay, so now first what you do, open paint, open this file in paint image file, make copy first, duplicate copy, then make rectangle. And for rectangle, see here I had written top left side, on rectangle side x1, sorry I have written x2 x2, it is actually x1 x2, and bottom of rectangle, that is top left, I had written x2 x2, it is actually x1 y1, or you can say x1 x2, and below it is actually x1 y1 and x2 x1 y1, and below is x2 y2. Actually I got predefined this. So here you have to note the coordinates. This upper 2 points, it is actually x1 y1 left top, and bottom right of rectangle it is x2 y2. Okay, so you have to note that 4 points, comma comma, you have to put all these 4 points, you have to note in coordinates in that area tag. And next is circle. For circle, again this is actually x1 y1, so you have to keep the mouse over this area, and then in middle, so center point. So while writing you have to note the point x1 y1 and radius little bit, like you want a circle of having 50 radius and so on. So you have to write that radius, that is x1 y1 and radius. Next is polygon. So I had took this shape, so it is actually x1 y1 x2 y2, from anywhere you can start. So this 6 point, you can, for polygon you can draw any shape, then the points will increase. So minimum is 3 pair of coordinates, that is 6 coordinates. So this is the means first what to do, open paint, in paint draw this shapes, only 3 shapes are allowed in image mapping. So this area, now rectangle, when we click it will get open to the link. So we had seen actually in practical. So here, so in paint what to do, open this, draw this shape, note the point, and then save it. But don't save this image having these shapes. Okay, this is another file, you have to create duplicate file and note the points in paint, and write that coordinates points in the file where you are writing the HTML code. So we'll see again output. So this is the image. So you got it. So for client side image map, you have to use map attribute to indicate that this image is client side image map, and map tag you have to write the same name what you had given in use map, and below map tag only you have to write area tag having 3 shapes, that is rect, circle and poly. Okay, and link that to different sites. Okay, href you create hyperlink to that area, and coordinates. See, for rectangle 4 coordinates, that is left top x1 y1 x2 y2, and for circle 3 points, points, and this is polygon. For polygon you have to take 6 points, that is coordinates, or 3 pair of coordinates. So we'll see output. So this is in preview I am opening. Okay, so see, this image got open, that is link got open. So hope you understood. You can see again.